Hey everyone, it's Hani here from UEA and today I'm gonna talk to you a bit about making friends at uni. As a non-drinker, I was so scared that I'm never gonna make any friends at uni, and that's absolutely normal to think so. And I'm here to reassure you that you don't need to worry too much about that. Because uni is such a big community and there's always people who share the same interests with you, and you may just need to be proactive to find them. Uh, so because I don't drink, I find society is the best way to find new friends. Society often holds some non-alcoholic sections. They're still really fun. So join a society that interests you. Go to some socials and start a conversation with people. You make lifelong friends because you guys share the same interest. That's how I make friends with most of my best mates at uni.